Alright guys, let's go print another awesome 3D model together. If this is your first time watching a 3D print in action, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out. I'm gonna walk you through all the steps, from 3D design to the final paint job. I'm an interior designer, so I usually design my own models. But don't worry if you're not into modeling, I'll drop the download links for ready files in the description so you can grab them too. First, we set everything up in the software, do a quick test print, make sure the printer's running smooth with no errors, and once it's all good, we export the file, load it on a flash drive, and boom, we're ready to print. My printer is just a small home one, not an industrial machine, but honestly, it does the job perfectly. I use different filaments depending on the model I'm printing. Now the magic begins, layer by layer, the filament melts and builds our cool design right in front of our eyes. If you want to check out my printer settings, I've explained them in detail in my first videos on the channel. I love printing famous figures, but sometimes I make useful stuff too, like bases, phone holders, candle stands, tissue boxes, or even little makeup organizers and pill cases I've designed for myself. Done. Our model is ready. Now we gently remove it from the plate and start taking off the supports, carefully, so we don't damage the object. If you see small lines or bumps on the model, don't stress, a little primer and glue will fix it right up. Once it's dry. Look at that. Our awesome model is done. Easy, right? Come on, hop over to my channel, we've got more figures to print together. And hey, drop a comment telling me what I should make next. I'll tag you when I print your idea. Thanks for hanging out with me, buddy.